Hi guys, we arrived in Ubud now and we stayed at the Komaneka at Bisma Ubud, and I'm going to take you to the room tour, the place we are going to stay for 5 nights. And let's just start it. So this is the entrance door and we are going to enter the room. This is the Bisma Suite Room, and as you see there is a place to sit down, television, we got tangerines, also insect repeller is also good to have, amenities for coffee, water cooker and water, and of course it's refrigerator. I'm not sure what it is. It's supposed to be for ice. And also we got a receipt for cookies. Without walnut because I'm allergic to walnuts. Really allergic. And the good thing of this is because the snake plant is very good for to get rid of negativity. To get rid of negativity of the rooms. It's a feng shui. And we are going to the bed. I don't know why they put a heart on it. Well, tomorrow is my husband and I will celebrating our 11 years of marriage. Nice place. I love this room so much. It's cool, and of course this is for the mosquitoes. Let's see, and we are entering the bathroom. Let's see what's this. This is for the cupboards. Oh, they have all things. They have bags to use. They have for the laundry, lighters, and I'm not sure what this is. Let's see what this is. Oh, I don't know what this is. This mosquito repeller, I think. And of course, let's check. Toilets. And of course, a book about the hotel. The Komaneka is already more than 10 years, so it's a decade. They already exist for 13 years and they have now 3 Komaneka Resort in Ubud and 1 somewhere else. I have to find it out somewhere. They have lotion, baths, and of course a balcony. There is a balcony. Husband sitting there, enjoying the sun. And this is our view. Padi, Schweizfield. There's the pool. And I'm not sure what this is. I think it's connecting room for another place. So that's all, guys. This is the Komaneka at Bisma in Ubud. We are really happy with the weather. Look at the weather. Next time I'm going to take you to tour of the whole resort, but now I'm going to close this short video about the suite tour of the Komaneka. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye bye.